Hi guys, Martin here, twinmotorcycles. And I want to show you something about mounting the rotor and the stator in the 1125. You can see here the new wind rotor and the case where it came from. You see here the leftovers from the sealant that was in there to protect the wires. We need to put a nice bed in there to protect the wires from rubbing against the outside. So take a high temperature silicone gasket we use for it, and put a nice bed in there where the wires lay in, and to protect it from rubbing, and this will also fixate the wire a little. Now pre-locate the holes a little so you know where it's going to, because there's 3 holes and they're not equally spaced. So it's one way only. Take good notice of your rubber gaiter for the seal to the outside. Then drop it on. Can be a little bit fiddly to do, because you really need to do 3 things at the same time. Because you also have to put in, don't forget this one, the protector for the cable harness. You need to slide that one in, and so it will go over the holes. And you see where it comes handy if you have 3 ends. Those little screws are hex heads. So just take a screwdriver and start it a little in the hole. Start with one side and then put the other one in. Like I said, it's a little bit fiddly job. And a little bit of a dirty job with all the sealant in there. So let's try again. I always do it first in the hole of the plate, the screw, through there, and by then you can move it around a little to locate the positioning hole and the screw hole in the cover. So it's in there. Now look careful how your wire is walking. You see now it's if I screw it down now, you see the wire will be pinched. So make sure the black wire at the rear is free of pinching. Do not tighten fully, because you first need to fixate now the stator on the right position over the mounting holes. Okay, it's there. I do a little bit of blue Loctite on the screws. Very crazy. Stop maar.